Hi, this is the double lesson for this week, and we'll be doing lessons 8 and 9. Don't forget, the first thing you do is mark your attendance, and I will be checking for people who come late to class. So make sure you mark your attendance. I still have a number of students who have not done their work. You may think you have done it, but I reckon you should check, confirm that it has been registered. And one other thing is, please download. You need to start thinking about revising for the end of this topic. And this is a great checklist that asks you, do you know how to do this and so forth. So worth that. Once you've done that, we'll go straight into lessons 8 and 9. So let's start with lesson 8. Which is looking at the length and midpoint of a line segment. So the theory behind those two segments are shown in these two videos, and this is so easy. It's just simply, hey, get the average of two numbers. And here, good old Pythagoras' theorem comes again, and that's why I spent so much time on square numbers and also the importance of surds, because in Tech 3, you should be able to work it out and leave it in surd form. There is a PowerPoint. I would certainly open that up and copy any appropriate slides into your summary book. And for the exercises, it's a fairly quick and easy one actually, but it's not in your textbook. You will need to download it. That's there. It is really straightforward. And as I say, there is a video I'll send to you attached to just below this one on how to use the program that I've written. And that's the first half of the double. The second half of the double, we're going to lesson 9. So lesson 9 is solving simultaneous equation graphically. So again, we have not one but two videos to demonstrate that. Remember, all you're doing is sketching the graphs, which you learned how to do earlier, but you need to do it on a Cartesian plane, so a little bit more precisely. So we're actually drawing it. Um, of course, I thought it might be worthwhile for you to check your own answers by practicing using a calculator to draw those two functions or equations and seeing where they intersect. Because yes, that's it. The intersection is the solution. So we have that, and as I say, if you come back, there is another video which I'll show you here how we can use the linear graphs program to find the midpoint and the length of the line. So I suspect I'll give you Friday as a catch-up lesson so that we can work towards testing next week. So we've got some couple more lessons, some revision and testing. If not next week, certainly the week after that. Have a good day.